Hey guys, Caleb Thornton here. I wasn't originally planning on making a video for Cyber Monday, but some new deals popped up as of today, and I figured I might as well let you guys know. So I went through, handpicked some out, and as always, they'll be linked in the description down below if you want to check them out, and I'll try my best to keep updating them if I find any more good deals out there, but let's hop into them. Starting off with mice, Logitech still has their G703 Lightspeed at $60 from the $100 it is originally. Rocat Kane 120 down to $30, really good deal from normal $70. HyperX put up a bunch of deals today, starting off with their mice here. They have the HyperX Pulsefire Surge at $40, down from $55. The Pulsefire Core down to $25 from $30. The Pulsefire Dart down to $80 from $100, as well as their Pulsefire Raid down to $45 from $60. So a lot of good deals right there. If you want to pick up a mouse right now, might be a good time to. Moving right on to keyboards, Logitech still has some of their keyboards up for a discount with their G2 13 being $40, down from $70. Their G9 15 TKL, $180 down from $230, not bad right there. Logitech G5 13 is $100 down from $150. The GK64, nice keyboard, $52 down from normal $65. The Corsair K70 Mark II is $120 down from $160. The RK61, enjoy that keyboard as well, $52 down from $65. HyperX Alloy Core RGB, $40 down from $50. HyperX Alloy Elite 2, $110 down from $130. And then the HyperX Alloy Origins is $79 down from $110. Lastly on the list is headsets. Logitech still has their G4 32s, $40 down from $80, 50% off there. The Corsair has their HS35s, nice budget headset for $30 right now instead of $40. Logitech G635 is $70 down from $140, pretty big discount right there. Turtle Beach Recon 70s are down to $22 from $40. Logitech G935 wireless is $120 down from $170. Then HyperX again has a lot of options here. Their Cloud Stinger being $40 down from $50. Their Cloud Stinger Core being $30 down from $40. Their Cloud Alphas $80 down from $100. And then finally their Cloud Stinger S down to $50 from its normal $60. Hopefully you guys can keep up there. I know that was just rapid fire through the deals, but I don't really feel like there's a point in me talking about each one individually to make the video drag on for way too long. I just want to let you guys know. And again, description, we'll have all those links to the products I just mentioned down there if you guys want to check if they're still in stock or the prices have changed. But they should be out through the rest of Monday. I believe those deals should be running unless, of course, they do run out of stock. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.